hold this for me. It's recording right now. Zoom
Okay,
in.
he's getting in the tree.
Put your stuff down. Put your stuff down and record this.
Oh my God. He's in the tree.
Oh, that's a baby.
Yeah, because the snake is in the tree trying to get the eggs.
There it is. Holy shit, that's a big fucking snake.
Yes, he's huge because I could see him in the grass here. You got a stick or anything?
Oh, fuck.
Oh no. There's a snake that is trying to get into a nest. Oh my God, I can't believe how he's moving through a tree.
I need a stick. I need a stick or something.
He's like, stop moving for a second. You see him right there? He's freaking huge.
What a fucking size of that thing.
He's enormous. Did he get anything? What kind of snake was it?
Like a fucking black mamba. Okay, the bird's still in there.
Yay!